American fighter drone technology has revolutionized modern warfare, showcasing advanced capabilities that blend speed, stealth, and precision. The MQ-9 Reaper, for instance, is a prime example, equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and the ability to carry out both surveillance and strike missions. Its versatility allows it to operate in various environments, making it a formidable asset on the battlefield. Another significant player is the RQ-170 Sentinel, known for its stealth features that enable it to evade radar detection. This drone has been pivotal in intelligence gathering, providing real-time data to commanders without putting pilots at risk. Moreover, the development of the Next-Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program promises to push the boundaries even further, integrating artificial intelligence and advanced materials to create a new class of unmanned aerial vehicles. These innovations not only enhance combat effectiveness but also redefine the strategic landscape of aerial warfare. As aerospace engineering students, understanding these technologies is crucial, as they represent the future of military aviation and the ongoing evolution of drone capabilities. The implications of these advancements extend beyond the battlefield, influencing aerospace design, systems integration, and even ethical considerations in warfare.